Cash vouchers are used when 1. Cash is taken from sales. 2. Cash is taken from petty cash. 3. To issue payable token. Payable token is issued when the due amount is to be paid later. Here we look at how to apply for cash voucher in the collection page. Scroll down and click Vouchers. This is the date of the cash voucher. If the cash is to be taken from sales, this date and time must be within the shift where the cash is taken from. This is the time of the cash voucher and is as important as the date. This is the user that is responsible for the cash voucher. This is the list of users that are authorized to approve cash vouchers. Only the user selected here will be able to approve the cash voucher. This is the receiver of the cash/payable token. If the receiver is not a person, e.g. shop/pharmacy, enter the name here. If receipt/invoice is available, this name must match with the name on the receipt/invoice. Clicking V will list recently logged in locum doctors and users. This is the category of expense for this cash voucher. These expense categories are managed via Add/Edit Expenses category in the admin page, and are important for accounting statements. This is the description of the cash voucher that should state details and purpose. If inventory items are being purchased by cash, inventory must be ticked. This is to enable the purchased item to be entered as stock in the inventory page. Refer purchasing inventory items with Clinic Cash. When inventory is ticked, the receiver must be selected from the list of vendors and cannot be manually typed in. So please ensure the vendor is available in the vendors list before applying for the cash voucher. Payable token is used when the payment is to be made on later date, so this cash voucher will actually serve as the payment note. The payments are managed via daily payables in the admin page. If the cash is taken from the petty cash account, and not sales, tick petty cash to indicate so. In the end of shift sales report, the cash vouchers will be listed like this, both approved and unapproved. To show accurate cash in hand in the shift, the date and time of cash voucher are very important as the cash will be considered used from that shift. Now let's create a cash voucher for cash taken from sales. Specify the sales date the cash is taken from. Specify the time the cash is taken from. This time must be within the shift from where the cash is taken. Select the staff responsible for this cash voucher. Specify to whom this cash is being paid to. Select the expense category. Enter details of this purchase. Enter the amount here. Note that the receiver, description and amount must match with the receipt/invoice if any. As the cash is taken from sales, none of these are relevant. Click Enter to save this cash voucher. Saved vouchers will be listed here. This is the cash voucher number and the approval status. As long as this cash voucher is unapproved, it can be edited or deleted. Once approved, no editing/deleting is allowed and can only be done by authorized users in the admin page. To edit, make the necessary changes and click Edit to save. To delete, click Del. The receipt/invoice can be attached to this cash voucher. The image of the receipt/invoice can be captured on Intel SysAssist app and will be available in the media pool. Click Media to show the media pool. Any image taken on Intel SysAssist app will be listed here in the media pool. To select, click Select for the respective image. When image is available for this cash voucher, the image button will appear like this. To view/delete the image, click Image. This is the image saved for this cash voucher. To delete this image, click Delete. If there is no image saved for the cash voucher, the image button will be semi-transparent. Now let's create a cash voucher for cash used from the petty cash. After specifying the date and time, select the responsible user here. Specify the receiver here. Select the expense category. Enter the details of this purchase. As the cash is taken from the petty cash account and not sales, tick petty cash. Enter the amount. Click Enter to save this cash voucher. The cash voucher is now listed as unapproved. As long as this cash voucher is not approved, it still can be edited/deleted. Now let's create a cash voucher for payable token. Specify the date, time, staff, approver and receiver. For the expense category, we select locum. For payable token/locum, the bank details and identification number, IC/passport, must be specified in order to make the payment later. These fields will be displayed whenever payable token is ticked or when locum is selected from the expense category. Specify the details of this payment. Specify the amount here. Tick payable token. Click Enter to save. Once saved, the vouchers/payable tokens can be printed by clicking the Print button. For users authorized to approve cash vouchers, the number of pending cash vouchers will be indicated in this box. Clicking this box will show the details. These are the cash vouchers that need to be reviewed. If the cash is taken from petty cash account, petty cash is indicated here. If the voucher is for payable token is indicated. To reject the cash voucher, click Reject. To reject, specify the reason for rejection and click Reject. To approve the cash voucher, click Approve. Now let's see the approved cash vouchers. In the collection page, scroll down and click Vouchers. Specify the date and click View. The status of the cash voucher is now showing approved. When cash vouchers are approved, for cash taken from sales and petty cash, the expense account is automatically filled, which can be managed via expenses in the admin page. In this example, take note of this RM5 tissue from Kadai AAA. Go to the admin page to see the expense list. Click Account. We will select expenses for this date. If only a day's expenses are to be listed, leave the to date empty. Click Expenses. Note the RM5 tissue from Kadai AAA has been automatically entered here. Entries from approved cash vouchers will be indicated with the cash voucher number here. Approved cash vouchers can no longer be edited under cash vouchers, they can be edited/deleted by approved users here. If the entry is edited here, the changes will be applied in the cash voucher as well. If deleted, the cash voucher will be deleted. For payable tokens approved in cash vouchers, they can be managed in this admin page as well. Let's select the period as this month. And click Daily Payables. This is the payable token that was created and approved under cash voucher. The person's bank details as saved in the cash voucher will be shown here to assist in the payment. When the actual payment is made for this payable token, click Pay. Fill up the payment details here. And click Enter to save this payment. Fully paid payable tokens are not shown by default. To show fully paid payable tokens, click All. The payment that was just saved is shown here. To edit/delete this payment, click on the payment. Make any necessary changes and click Edit to save, or Delete to delete. For cash vouchers using petty cash, to see the details click Petty Cash Balance. This is the cash voucher entry that was just saved and approved. Note that the balance for this petty cash account is shown here, and in this example it is -10. To top up petty cash, it is done via cash voucher as well. Let's see how to top up petty cash account. Go to the collection page. Scroll down and click Vouchers. Fill up the date, time, staff, and approval by. For Petty Cash Top-Up, select Petty Cash Top-Up as the category. The receiver and description are automatically filled up as Petty Cash Top-Up. Do not edit these. Tick Petty Cash. Specify the amount to top up. Petty Cash top-ups will always come from the sales cash. Click Enter to save. This Petty Cash top-up now needs to be approved. For the approver, click on the notification box. Click Approve. Now after approval, go to the admin page to check the Petty Cash balance. Specify the period. And click Petty Cash Balance. This is the amount that we have just topped up in the Petty Cash. Cash was taken from sales. The balance and Petty Cash account and the sequences are shown here. That's it. You're done.